Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, here which is Mean Scripts. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. So 4 months ago, I made a video on Interlink network. I took us soon how to join the airdrop if you've not joined. So like I will say, Interlink is a good project, is a good crypto project if you are not participating in any. So you can go ahead to participate in Interlink network. You can also participate in Xenia airdrop and also Chain airdrop. Okay, so let's just get into Interlink network. They've not been saying anything about their airdrop. They've not been saying anything like listing of their token. Is because they still have a lot to cover on their project. So what I'll just be advising us to do is we just have to grind so well. So just grind so well so you have a good amount of the airdrop token with you. By the time they start converting the points to real token, yours won't be very low. Okay, because I know that the projects will be doing well. And also going over to their Twitter page, so they have been dropping updates on their Twitter page. You see, one day ago they still updated their Twitter page, the video contest, content contest, and lots like that. They are waiting for Google Play and App Store to approve the version 3.2 of their app so we can actually enjoy it. So they are really working, but they still have a lot to cover. Then you see this Interlink Indonesia. They have very a lot to cover on this project. So I'll just be advising us to keep on mining, don't stop mining. Okay, so let's just go over to the app for those of us that are not mining presently. So let us go over to the app, and the mining has been made easy. Every 3 hours you're going to be getting a notification to start mining back. So let me just go over to my mining apps. I have series of mining apps here, but I've not been so active like that, but I'm back to being active. Okay, so Interlink network now. I already dropped the guide. You can watch the previous video I made, or you can just go out to my Telegram channel to get access to the link on how to get started. Interlink is a mining app. Here you see it at this mining app area. So just click on the link Interlink, then you see, just go to register an account with the link, download the app, create your wallet, then you have to scan your face. So you have to click on the icon and also bind the referral code to get 1,500 ITLG token. So you claim every day, claiming it every day, and you'll be getting a notification every 3 hours to come back to mine. So I made video on that. You can just go through the video I made on that. Okay, so I'm on the app right now. You see the app, and presently I'm having this amount of ITLG points because I've not been active like I said. And now Interlink ID that's been verified is about 2 million. Yeah, that is 2 million IDs has been verified. So this is going to be a good one. I won't say you should miss it. So just click on the mine ITLG token. Once you've registered an account, just click on the mine. And there's sometimes that you also be asked to perform some tasks. Just come over to this marketplace here. Like anytime I drop an update like that, just come over to this marketplace. Then I can still go over to Interlink DAO. So maybe you have to vote for them. Just click on the Interlink DAO, then just go to vote for them. So let's just go over to this area here. So you see the total Interlink ID, then verified Interlink ID is this. About 1 million plus has been verified the ID. So daily active people is just about 1.5 people are active. Why weekly active people about 1.9. So let's just go back to this mining section. For you to start mining, come back here. Then just click on this mine ITLG. Then you'll be taken over to the place where you start mining. Just go ahead to click on this mine ITLG token. So you'll be coming back. I will be coming back in 3 hours time to start mining again. I just have to click on this mine ITLG. So you see 60 points will be added to the balance. You see 60 has been added. So once it's getting closer to this time, then I'm going to be getting a notification to start mining back. That's I need to come back to the Interlink app to start mining. So like I said, this project is a very big one. Don't miss this project. I'll be dropping series of updates you can participate in. Make sure you don't miss my channel. If you've not subscribed, go ahead to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping, cause I have series of updates for us in crypto space, in airdrop space, in forex space, in stock space, and also earning apps you can participate in to make good amounts of money. Airdrop are not really doing well, so I will be going extra mile to get various ways on how to make money, since that is what my channel is about. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel so you won't be missing any updates. Bye guys.